Welcome back. Panic struck Sankwal area on Sunday afternoon as the state administration had a mock drill at Zuari Industries. Though notice informing about the drill was issued by Zuari administration few days earlier, the fake accident of ammonia leakage and the emergency movement of the fake victims thereafter gave a shock to the locals for a while.
A mock drill was a joint exercise of Zuari Industries, Fire Services and State Administration. Zuari Industries Limited were a part of the operation. The mock drill was all about rescuing people from the Zuari agrochemical factory where ammonia leakage was the main cause. In this mock drill, few injured people were shifted to GMC as a part of the operation. Earlier, Zuari Industries published a notice on a local daily informing about the plans. But despite of the information, there was panic in the area. A reporter in Vasco asked a few fire brigade officials about their role in the operation, and they mentioned that they were called on emergency basis to the definite site to do the needful. But till they reached the site, everything was settled down by the fire services in Zuari Agro. The operation also checked for the response time of concerned agencies. Here are some of the clips at GMC where the injured people in Zuari were sent for treatment. The fake patients were admitted immediately in 139 ward for treatment and discharged later in the afternoon. But all this was just a mock drill and nothing to worry about. A reporter in Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar, with senior reporter Rakesh Kandolkar and video journalist Shan.
The Goa Urban Bank employees are on the streets. The union staged a dharna in front of the General Body Capital on Sunday. Unions strongly demanded for restoration of monetary benefits. They have threatened to go on strike if demands are not fulfilled.
A meeting of shareholders with Goa Urban Management was held at Manager's Braganza Hall in Panji. The agitated employees of Goa Urban Employees protested in front of the general body, demanding restoration of monetary benefits.
आज आमचे स्टाफ असे आसात ज्यांनी 30 वर्सां वयर काम केलां पुणून तांचो पगार 15,000 सुद्दां जायना.
Altogether, there are 300 employees in various branches of Goa Urban Cooperative Bank. Employees claim that they cannot avail of various facilities that have been availed by other bank employees. They have demanded restoration of monetary benefits. They have threatened that if their demands are not fulfilled, then they will take further steps.
सो आमी थारायल्लें आहा कितें आमी फकत रस्त्यारूच येतले कित्याक मॅनेजमेंट उलोवपाक रेडी ना आमचे कडेन आनी कांय उपाय ना सो आमी रस्ते येतले डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन करतले धर्ना करतले स्ट्रायक करतले आमी ऑलरेडी हो इशू ऑल गोवा कोऑपरेटिव्ह बँक एम्प्लॉयज फेडरेशना तांचे कडेन घेवपाचें थारायल्लें आहा.
Chairman of Goa Urban Cooperative Bank, Vishnu Naik, explained the bank's position.
तेन्ना मागीर जो पळय आमचो हें जाला तो 2002तल्यान आमी तांकां एंटायर एरियस दिल्या म्हणजे कितें चड आहा ते डिफरंट आनी 2007 ते 2010 जे पळय सॅलरी आहा ते फारीक करता 2010 जातकीर ऑपरेशन जावं फुडें येतलो पळय तेन्ना मागीर विचार करपाचो न्ही कित्याक एकदां तुवें ठरलें की 2010 पासून हें म्हणून 3 वर्सांचो न्ही तो प्लस सगळी फाटले एरियस फारीक केले पूण आनी प्रश्न खंय उरला.
A reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Anil Sanadi for Prudent Media.
Swine flu. Though ruling the minds of Goans these days, the Directorate of Health Services is of the opinion that Goa is endemic to filaria. As a precautionary measure, Health Services has now planned for drug administration camps across South Goa from 11th to 13th November.
11 November is a National Filaria Day. From this day itself, Department of Health Services will start its mass drug administration camp. Deputy Director of Health Services, Dr. Deepak Kabadi, briefed us more on filaria.
Goa is known as endemic for filaria. And once that filaria worms dies, all this complication is occurring. Therefore, I am saying they are not transmitting. That worm is already died and complication is occurring because of death of that worm. And now why we are taking care of microfilaria? Mosquito pick up those microfilaria from the blood and they are transmitting others. And the microfilaria is for transmission. So we are all the time giving mass drug administration to take care of microfilaria.
South Goa Collector GP Naik has asked people to cooperate with health officers. He informed us more about the drive.
Staff of the Directorate of Health Services will move from house to house and I appeal the people of South Goa that they see that the drug is administered properly, and if any problem anywhere, they should approach to the health officer.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut for Prudent Media.
Time now for another short break. Stay tuned.